Okay, so I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in 390, some Maybelline concealer. I'm going to dry this down with like a comb and then like a piece of paper because it's a little moist. So I want to dry it down so I can get coverage. And I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder, which, by the way, you guys are going to see how I put on way too much powder in just a second. Look at that. I look like I have flour all over my face.
Whoa.
Now I'm going to bring myself back to life with some bronzer. I'm using the Black Radiance bronzer. Just warming my skin back up, and then I'm going to wipe away this powder so I don't get too light and too ashy and too dry if it dries out my face. Also for my brows, y'all, I used some eyeshadow to make them red, as I did. And I'm using the Laura Mercier Deep Powder just to clean up, and then I'm going to contour my nose, add some blush and highlight, and then that completes the look for today. And then I'm just gonna add some gloss. Alright guys, so this is a straight version of the wig. I did create this or make this hair into a wig. I have 3 bundles and a closure. I'm going to show you guys where I got the hair from. So it's from Kemy Hair. I want to say thank you to Kemy Hair for sending me these bundles and this closure because your girl is really feeling all this color. Okay, like I've been doing black hair for so long that I forgot how much fun color hair is. So I'm going to show you guys what the website looks like. This is what it looks like. So of course I'll also be putting this in the description box below if you guys are interested in the hair, so you can get you some bundles, some colored bundles. It comes colored, you know, you ain't gotta color it yourself. I am really feeling this color. I haven't had any red hair like this in a hot minute, so I'm kind of like, ooh, I'm kind of feeling myself. Makes me want to jump into color a little bit more. So I did pair it with some red brows because the hair is red. I kind of wanted to have a little fun feel to it. So if you guys are feeling the red brows with the red hair, leave me a thumbs up, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and curl this hair because I kind of want to add some curls to it because the straight hair is just kind of giving me flat vibes. Not that it looks bad, I think it looks good, but I just kind of feel like I might be more popping with some curls in it. So I'm gonna add curls. Just to give you guys a little feedback on the hair is wonderful, okay? You didn't have to bleach the knots with it being a colored closure, but I went ahead and added a little bit of powder so that you can actually see the part. Not that it's not visible, but you know, I just like having that powder trick because it just adds a little bit more to it. The length that I got, so you guys can know the length, let me double check what I got. Okay, so it's a 14-inch closure, and then we have 14, 16, 18 bundles in it, and I did use all of the 18 and 16, and I used about 3/4 of the 14. So I didn't use all of it because I didn't want the top to be too full. So yes, this is bundles and a closure. I did create it and make it into a wig. It's not just a wig that will be sold like that. So yes. The hair is super duper soft. It doesn't shed, and when I say it doesn't shed, I mean it really does not shed, y'all. I have been brushing it, combing it, all that good stuff. It ain't shedded one bit. I also did not have to pluck the part at all or pluck the closure. It just looks that bomb. Excuse this flyaway that's going on right here. I just have to tame that down. But super easy hair to work with. Super nice hair, super soft, has a really good smell to it. Comes straight. They do have other styles if you want something to be curly or whatever. I really like the straight hair though because I can add curls if I want to. So you can see how long it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the curls into it. So stay tuned for the curls. I'm gonna go do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is the unit with the wand curls. If you prefer the wand curls, leave me a thumbs up or comment it below and tell me which one you prefer, straight or wand curls, or you know, just curls in general. I'm really feeling these curls. I feel like it gives it more of a lumptuous look. It just makes you look like damn. Like that's how that makes me feel. I don't know, I'm really feeling these curls. I'm feeling this color, but as you see, the hair curls perfectly. It is human hair. I don't know if I threw that out there, but I just want to let you know that. So yes, the hair is human hair and it is able to be curled and straightened, and it is holding this curl really well. Like when I curled it, I was like, oh, it might fall. I don't know how the hair is gonna hold, but it felt really good. And then I just lightly combed it with my wide tooth comb just to make them look a little bit more loose. So imagine how this is gonna look when it falls even more and it's not as tight. Girl, it's gonna look real good. So guys, that is going to complete today's video. If you guys really like this hair, make sure you check out my description box below for all the information you need. If you like videos like this where I do my makeup and my hair, let me know that as well by leaving a comment below because I can do more videos like that for you guys. So yes, Thanks guys so much for watching. Thank you to Kemy Hair for sending me this hair. I love it. It's gorgeous and I am all the way here for it. If you guys have any questions, like I always say, leave a comment below and I will answer that for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.